Kurdish. Hey. You gotta get your dance on to this beautiful dancing. Let's see the leg work. Nice leg work. Sucky now. Relay. Oh, that Kurdish girl tall. Hey. Camera kind of shaky, but still amazing. You know what I'm saying? Gang. You know what I'm saying? Gang. You know, gang with the Kurdish gang, you know what I'm saying? Yes, if you thought you heard me say shout out to my meaties, you know what I'm saying, people. Yes, I did. I learned a lot, you know what I'm saying, today. You know what I'm saying? Let me tell you what I learned. You know what I'm saying? I love Kurdish people, you know what I'm saying? Like I was reacting and still trying to figure out, you know what I'm saying, your origin of people. But I think it's safe to say that your origin is definitely embedded. So there's definitely a reason why they try to say that y'all don't have an origin. You know what I'm saying? And your origin goes, I mean, your history, ancient history goes far back. I didn't even know y'all were the Medes. I heard of the Medes before, the Medes. You know what I'm saying? The media, you know what I'm saying? The Median people, you know what I'm saying? Which are the Kurds, you know what I'm saying? Cyrus the Great, you know what I'm saying? It's crazy. Learned a lot today. And we got to, you know what I'm saying, I was in the mood. I was like, let me react to some Kurdish, you know what I'm saying, Hammarkullen music, you know what I'm saying, in Gothen. I like that name, Gothenburg. Is that in Germany or something? Gothenburg. Like Gotham City, but Gothen. I like that. That's nice. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful Kurdish dance. You know what I'm saying? For my beautiful brothers and sisters from Kurdistan, or they are Kurdish, and they probably had different type of Kurdish blood in them, you know what I'm saying? Depending on where they reside at, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm quite sure there was all different types of Kurds there, you know what I'm saying? So shout out to all my Medes, you know what I'm saying? Slaw to all my Kurds, you know what I'm saying? This is Kurdish Johnny Munchie TV, you know what I'm saying? And I see you guys in the next KÜRTÇE reaction video. Be laid, you know what I'm saying? I see you guys in the next reaction video. Thank you guys for watching, you know what I'm saying? You know, gang with the KÜRTÇE gang, you know what I'm saying?